we got some projects to do like I talked about in my previous video. I want to show you a few we got going on here. We're going to put a radiator in this 78 John Deere 2640. The radiator's gone bad and we're going to put a new radiator in it because it's starting to run hot every time we try to mow or disc. All right, there's our new radiator, all filled up, ready to go. Got everything washed. Fixing to put the hood back on and then go mow. Now we ain't got to worry about running hot no more. We got her running, she's ready to go. You want to know how hot it is? That's what a hat looks like at the end of a very long hot day. So gonna get out here, mow a little bit, see how she works.